Meaning of fragrant.
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 Fragrant. Fragrant refers to something that has a pleasant and sweet smell. It is usually associated with flowers, perfumes, spices, and other similar things that emit a pleasing aroma. The term can also be used to describe the scent of food, particularly when it is cooked with herbs and spices. When something is described as fragrant, it implies that it has a strong and distinct aroma that is noticeable and adds a positive quality to its surroundings. Overall, the term fragrant connotes a sense of pleasure and enjoyment that comes from the sense of smell.